Hey guys, Dr. Christy Turkianis. Happy gobble gobble. Today we've got a workout for you that you can actually do while you are cooking. So now you have zero excuses not to do your workout on Thanksgiving. So you're going to use your baking tray or baking dish, some sort of mixing bowl or serving platter, and you need some canned goods, which most likely you're going to be having, okay? First exercise, no equipment at all. We're going to bring those hands behind the head, bring those feet apart a little bit, and we're going to go down into a squat and then opposite knee to elbow. There's 2, 3, 4, and you can do these at any time when you're cooking. They don't have to be done all in a row. 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 more. 10, little cardio too. 9, whoopsies, 8, I'm moving, don't move. 7, 6, 5, if you like this stuff that you're seeing today, please like and subscribe. 2, and 1. Whew, I'm already out of breath. All right, no equipment again. Going back into a lunge, little pulse, 1, 2, and then 2 knees. Pulse, pulse, 1, 2. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, getting some arm motion too. Woohoo. 6, little balance too. 7, 8, 9, one more on this side, and 10. Good, I'm going to switch directions. All right, here we go. Pulse, pulse, and then knee, knee. That's 1, 2, 3, here's 4. I'm moving faster than I can count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 as I still fall over. Hopefully not, just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna grab my bowl. It can even have food in it if you want, but we're gonna go little curtsy run, lunge, add a rotation, reach it over. So there's 1, we're gonna alternate. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, halfway on this one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, I'm breathing hard here. 3, and my bowl is empty. 2, I wish it had something in it. And 1. Okay, I'm going to put the bowl down. Next one is for when you're going into the oven. Okay, you're just going to repeat it. So you're going to grab your tray. Pretend my oven's down here a little bit. We're going to go a little bit wider with those feet. I know it's maybe hard to see here, but feet apart, knees wide, and over those toes. I'm going to bend down right to that oven, and then I'm going to put it on the counter. Down and to the counter. 3, 4, 5, use pot holders so you don't burn yourself. 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 more, 10. I'm going to get rid of my pan. Now alternately, if that's too hard for you, you just take that pan when you get out of the oven and you squat and you pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I can't even blame being sweaty on a hot oven right now. All right, I'm going to grab my cans, for just an upper body exercise. You're going to squeeze into those shoulder blades about a 30-degree angle, and then we're lifting to shoulder height and back down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more, 10. Woo! All right, if you need more weight, use bigger cans. Gonna put these down. We're gonna go over to the counter. My counter happens to be my bar. That's what we're gonna use today. So I am gonna go, hands on that counter. We're gonna go right into a push-up, pull back, and then, stretch out those arms after they've been lifting those pans and beating those potatoes. Those take forever. Good. Here's 3, 4, and peeling potatoes. 5, that used to be my job as a kid. 6, because it wasn't safe to have me around an oven. 7, much better now. 8, 9, one more, and 10. Okay, I'm going to face that counter this time. I'm actually going to lean into it a little bit. Hang out. Just kidding, not done yet. You're going to go into a little bit of a squat. I am going to stay in that lean. Bring this arm back as I lift that leg out for 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not moving that standing leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm going to turn around and show you my butt without my feathers. Oh, I got a little lazy. I did make this though. Here we go. Lift and bring that arm back. 1, 2. You can do it with thumbs up if it's more comfortable. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Have a happy Turkey Day.